Welcome to our presentation. We are Brandon, Tina, Mark, Nico, Tian, and we are Team 8.
Here we are going to be looking at our login and registration features. Here you'll see an email and password of an account we just registered. So what we're going to try to do here is sign in. But before we do that, I just want to show off our forgot password feature. Here you can just put in your email, and if you reset your password, it will send you a confirmation email. We're just following a link that was sent to our email. And you'll see here it shows us our home screen with the weather conditions. Right now we're set to Oakland, our email at the top. And I also wanted to show our change password feature. You'll see just confirm email, password, and our new password. After you do this, it will send the new password to your email so that you have it on file, and that will be your changed password.
When navigating to the contacts page, we have the first tab, which is a list of the user's contacts. Each contact has a profile which lists some basic information and gives a couple of options such as deletion and messaging. From our contacts tab, we can also search our existing contacts as well as search for new contacts to send requests to. The request tab shows all contact requests sent to you. Clicking on the request will give you the option to accept or reject the request.
For the chat functionality, to message someone, you have to already be contacts with them. Once you accept the contact request, you can select the desired user from the populated contact page. For example, if I click this user from contacts, test2, and message them, now typing the message and sending appears in real time via the push server. Now, on the other account, you can see that the message has been received. To leave a chat room and delete the chat, press this button. This is where all your chats with your contacts are stored. They have the most recent message and the timestamp of the last message sent. And with that, that concludes the demo of the chat functionality in our app.
So here on the weather fragment is the weather information for any known location in the world. Here's the current weather conditions, the 24-hour forecast, and the 5-day forecast, which in this case, Tacoma's weather is shown. If we type in another zip code like 45680, you'll get another location, and the weather for that is shown on the fragment. If we go to search by map, we bring up this map, and if we click on any location, we bring up the name for that location, and its weather is shown here on the fragment, and that's all there is to it.
Now for the style and theme of our app. As you can see, the default color theme is the darker night mode color, but we can apply different color theme in the settings. By applying alternate, you can see that the color theme becomes like a lighter ice color. If we go to contacts, chats, and weather, you can see that the color change in the theme is consistent throughout all the fragments in the app. Another stylistic choice we made is that we decided instead of multiple tabs to display the different types of weather data, such as the current weather, the 24-hour forecast, and the weekly forecast. We decided that we will compress it all onto one fragment with multiple recycler views for a cleaner look.
One of the functions that we couldn't get to work was group chats. We had originally designed chats to only be between 2 people and ran into a lot of difficulties when trying to recreate the web endpoints and refactoring the code to include more than 2. Our biggest challenge was the notifications. Due to their inconsistency, testing them was unreliable because of times where the notifications would be sent from the server or pushed to our application. Breaking down the user stories even more would have made each task more specific and clear. Large user stories left a lot of ambiguity and abstraction, which created a lot of difficulty in determining what had to be done. Our communication with the client should have happened more frequently. This would allow us to clarify the requirements more and provide more ample time to do the implementation as specified. Taking more time, understanding how the different labs and their concepts come together in terms of full application also would have helped us. This has been Team 8, and thank you for watching our presentation.